Alright guys, for tonight I am making pot roast. So I found this recipe by Mel Busy Eats. She has a vlogging channel and the recipe was very easy. I'm going to show you how it's done, and I want to make it tonight. It seems really easy. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a bag of carrots in the crock pot. This is what I got. I got some organic carrots right here. Also, we're going to add a half of an onion chopped. This is the chuck roast I got. I actually got the cheapest because it's just one person. So I found one for $14.82. I don't think it's too bad of a price. It's a little over 2 pounds, not too bad. So I'm just going to put salt, pepper, garlic powder, and 21 seasoning salute on all sides. Then I'm just going to brown it in a frying pan and then put it in the crock pot. Alright guys, there it is. Now we're going to add 1 pack of this onion soup mix. Alright, now we're going to add the rest of the onion on top. So yeah, this is half of the onion. And we're going to add 3 cloves of garlic. This is chopped garlic. And now we're going to add some potatoes on top. I got these mini gold potatoes. So they're pretty small. I think it's perfect. I guess I could have done bigger potatoes. A little bit bigger, but I guess I'll add maybe 10. I'm not sure. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. All right, next we're going to add about 32 ounces of some beef broth. All right, looks good. If you want, you could add mushrooms, but I don't really like mushrooms. So we're going to cook this on low for about 8 hours, but I have a really small slow cooker, so it'll probably be done in 5 or 6 hours. So it's about 1 p.m. right now. It'll be perfect. All right, guys, it's been about 5 or 6 hours, and look at this. Wow, it was hot. Ooh, looks good. All right, I tasted some of the beef. It's really, really good. Just want to add some of this juice from the crock pot. Some onions. All right, guys, there it is. That looks amazing. All right, guys, we have pot roast. I'm excited to give this a try. I haven't made a pot roast probably at least 3 years. And to drink, we have bubbly, cherry bubbly. It's sounding good tonight. How do I open this? That's pretty good. So this is a recipe by Mel Busy Eats. She does vlogs, guys. And I saw her vlog and she made it. I was like, it was super easy. I've seen so many recipes on pot roast where they make mashed potatoes, and that was what I was gonna do. But I thought this is really easy. Then maybe in a month from now I can try another pot roast recipe. There's another one. It's kind of popular right now, or I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube. I think it's called the Mississippi pot roast, where they add some chilies or something, and I'll make that with mashed potatoes. But I thought I would try this one first. It's really easy. Carrots are good. These are organic carrots. Try the pot roast. That's good. Right. Okay, whatever. Yeah, this pot roast is really good. This is good too. This cherry bubbly sparkling water. So I did a poll today, and I wasn't sure if I should do a vlog or, because this dinner is kind of like a small dinner. It's not like a lot, you know. And I wasn't really sure if I should do like a vlog or mukbang. I was just really confused, and a lot of people want me to do a mukbang, so I was like, okay, sure. So there'll be no vlog this week. Taking a break from vlogs for a little bit so I can concentrate on editing my old videos. I have a lot of old videos on my old phone. I don't have my current phone. I haven't had my new phone yet. But yeah, this is really good. So you guys saw how I made the pot roast. Somebody commented and said they're making another pot roast. They're making a pot roast tonight too. So comment down below if you make pot roast. Do you make it like this? Do you make it with mashed potatoes? You saw how I made it with the onion soup mix. Do you guys do that? I'm just curious. I know there's a lot of ways to make pot roast. But this is really good. Nice and healthy dinner. Friday night, I had pizza and some brownies, and the next day I was not feeling good. Very bloated from the pizza and the brownies, and I was just like very, very tired. So it took me a while to like get up and have energy. And at 4 p.m. I had a Red Bull and I had a lot of energy, so I actually was able, I finally did my ASMR firing the Walmart employee. So that should be up soon. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link in the description down below. If you guys don't know, I have an ASMR channel. I haven't posted on there in a while, but mostly food videos, and then like I firing and hiring somebody from Walmart. I like to do more role plays as well. But I had really good energy last night. You know what? I'm just gonna film my ASMR video. I want to get it out. Everybody's asking every time I do a video or a live. They're like, "When's your Walmart ASMR video gonna come out?" They want to see me fire this employee that I hired on my ASMR channel. So it's like highly requested. I just get it repeatedly. So I finally did it. So that should be coming out soon. It's very good. Very, very good. So I think we have a new neighbor. I mean, I have a new neighbor. I'm not sure. But one of my neighbors introduced somebody to the landlord yesterday. And they're like, "Hey, nice to meet you." And they walked to the house. It was an older guy. Well, he at least 60 years old. Single. He didn't have anybody with him, like a girlfriend, married, kids. And I didn't see my landlord at the house today. She's usually at the house like every weekend, and she wasn't today. I had a feeling that he got the house. So I just walked to the house, and I saw the door, because usually if the house is not, if it's not available, they have this like little, it's hard to explain, but like this little keypad thing where you put your number and you get the key in there. It's kind of like a security thing, and it's gone this morning, and I think he got the house. I saw a car here at my little parking lot area for what last night for a few hours. I'm not sure if it was him or not, but I have a feeling that he got the house. So that's kind of cool if he did, because it's a single person, quiet. I didn't want anybody like the other neighbors. They have their grandkids there every so often, and they were playing right in front of my door, and it was kind of annoying. Like if I did a video, it was kind of awkward. So, but yeah. So if he does get that place, there'll be 3 single people here. That'd be kind of cool. Kind of, you know, quiet. You know, single people are just really, they're low maintenance, really quiet. You know. So we'll see. Okay, I'll keep you guys updated on my new neighbor. Hope he's nice. He sounds nice. Well, I haven't really actually met him yet, so my other neighbor's really nice, so. I want to make this tonight because tomorrow is Monday, and I always get really tired on Mondays after work. I don't know why, so. Tuesdays is a little bit better, and then Wednesday, Thursday, and Fridays add more energy. But I wanted to do this video tonight because tomorrow I can just like keep the stuff in the microwave. At least have a couple meals from this dish. And I don't know what I'll do the next week for dinner. Probably something easy. So if you follow my ASMR channel, if you want to see any more role plays, let me know. I've done Walmart so far. I'm wondering if is there something else I could do that would be good. The role plays was kind of fun. I'm so eager to see what people say about this ASMR video. I'm really curious if they like it or not. It's kind of short. I had 4 pages of a script, but I don't know. It's just really short. I mean, I think it's only 6 minutes or something. But whatever. Somebody wanted me to do a story time today, but I was like, I don't really have any story time. I can't think of anything. I mean, I've done a lot of story times already, and I don't know what else to talk about. I don't remember a lot of my young childhood years. You know, I talked about my dad and the goat. I talked about my bad roommate. And I don't know. I don't really know anything else to say. So I'll have to think about some story times. If you guys have any topics, let me know. A few years ago, somebody wanted me to talk about credit cards and what I thought about them. So. I'm almost done with this meal, and it's only been 11 minutes. Usually when I edit, it's like half the time, so I really need to figure out what else to talk about. Either that or eat more food. But this is really good. It's bubbly, cherry bubbly. It's pretty good. I have a homemade cheeseburger video coming up. But I think I might upload this one first because you probably expected it, because I already told you about making pot roast, so probably upload this one first. This meat is tough. Yeah, I want to get a knife. So I was watching today, I was watching my old videos. I don't know why, I like my older videos a lot. I actually had darker hair, and I think I want to go back to darker hair. I don't know if I like this color. Well, I was eating in a park, eating a Salvadorian food, and I was eating a thing called pupusa, I think it's called. And some soup. I don't know if you guys remember that video. I love that video. I liked how I looked in that video, and the food looked amazing. I should really do more Salvadorian food. Mm-hmm. Good. Today I'm trying to clean my oven. It's really dirty. The inside of it. And I use an oven cleaner called Easy Off. They're pretty good. There's a couple of stains. I might have to get some other cleaners or scrubbies, but I don't know why. I'm in the mode to like clean my house spotless like it was when I first got here. It's not super clean. I mean, it's clean, but it's not like super clean like when I first got here. You know, you move into an apartment or a house. It's like really clean, but then after a few years, you don't sort of let it clean it that much, and it doesn't get that clean. So it's like that. I'm watching these cleaning videos, and it's really inspired me to like clean my house, like really deep clean, you know. So I've been resting this week and didn't have any working clients. Pretty unusual, but I think it's meant to be because I really want to get my house really clean. You know, you know how you have it. You live in a clean house. You just feel much happier, feel good. Yesterday I cleaned my refrigerator. It took me like an hour and a half to clean it, but I took the food that I did not use, that was old, or if it was like a very little left in there, I took everything out, most of everything out. If the food expired, I took that out. Yeah, yeah. And if there was just something in there I just didn't really use for a couple of years. Like for example, I bought some tartar sauce. I did not like the taste of it. I don't think I'll ever use it again from Trader Joe's. I threw that out. So I just threw a bunch of food in. It just feels like I look in my refrigerator now. It's nice and clean. It's organized. It's really light. There's like hardly anything in there because everything's clean. So I haven't cleaned my refrigerator. I cleaned it out of it like all the old food, but like to actually clean it, probably a good year. So I know it's been quite a while. All right, guys, that was really good. That was really amazing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.